Good morning class. We are from TYLLP going to present on the topic environment degradations and global warming. The member of the groups are Snehal Khade, Noor Kurbeti, Ishan Joshi, Neha Gauri and Omkar Nisi. So, I will start my presentation. Mother Nature, the natural environment with all its ecosystems, compromise the entire basis of life on the planet. Its values is therefore impossible to qualify or even model. So, what is environment degradation? Environment degradation is a result of social economics, technological and institutional activities. Degradation occurs resources which are affected including water, air, soil. So water degradation is one major component of environment degradation is the depletion of resources of fresh water on earth. Approximately only 2.5% of water on the earth is fresh water, with the rest being salt water. 69% of fresh water is frozen in ice caps located on Antarctica and Greenland. So only 30% of 2.5 of fresh water is available for consumption. Next, air. Air degradation refers to the diminishing air quality due to air pollution and rising carbon dioxide and methane. It is a form of environment degradation that impacts not only the atmosphere but also human health and climate. The increased levels of pollutions in the air environment problems globally. Third is soil. Soil degradation is the decline in soil quality due to various factors leading to a reduced ability of the soil to support plants and animals, life as well as human life. It involves the loss of soil physically, chemically, biology and ecological properties which can be result from natural process or human activities. Now let's see what is global warming. Global warming is the long-term effect of heating of Earth's climate due to human activities, primarily fossil fuels burning, which increase the heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. So definition of global warming is global warming refers to a gradual increasing the average global temperature over a long period of time. Global warming was the first observed during the pre-industrial period of 1850 and 1900. The worst effect of global warming is the melting of polar ice caps that will increase the sea levels, putting coastal region at risk. Now I would like to hand over Dhruv to continue with the presentation.